You've seen the gurus. You've watched the get-rich-quick videos. But let's be real, most people who start a YouTube channel to make money, they fail. And it's not because they lack talent. It's because they make one critical mistake. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how I built a thriving YouTube business, and more importantly, why 99% of creators are getting it wrong. I was one of them. For months, my channel was a graveyard. No views, no subs, just crickets. I almost quit. But then I shifted my mindset. I stopped treating YouTube like a hobby and started treating it like a business. I learned the systems, the strategies, and the psychology. And that's when everything changed. The single biggest reason 99% fail? They treat YouTube like a hobby. They upload when they feel like it, they don't research keywords, they avoid analytics. A business requires consistency, strategy, and understanding your audience. If you want to build a real income here, you need to think like a CEO, not just a creator. So, what does a YouTube business actually look like? It's built on these pillars. Niche clarity. Who are you serving? Content strategy. What specific problem are you solving? Monetization diversification. Beyond AdSense, think products, services, affiliates. Audience engagement. Turning viewers into a community. I'll be diving deep into each of these in upcoming videos. If you're serious about building a YouTube business and want to avoid the pitfalls that crush 99% of creators, then you need to be subscribed to this channel. I share my exact strategies every single week. Hit that subscribe button now, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step in building your YouTube empire. Let's make this happen. See you in the next one.